If you're fearful or nervous about different spiritual avenues to go down, make sure you have Anubis with you in your rituals, protecting your mind from those low vibrational ego thoughts when doing your work.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Anubis energy. We are powerful beings, and in being such powerful beings, we have a multitude of energies within us. The problem is, we haven't brought these energies out to play. We haven't brought these energies to the surface and let them embody our being. Large part because of mind control. But for us, it's just we don't understand how to tap into these energy streams. How to bring out the God force energy within us to power up our knowing. With these gods, we want to mainly invoke these energy streams. Most of the gods you come into alignment with, you want to invoke. Self-deification is a must. Invoking just means making you, becoming, bringing out of. Invoking these gods will in turn give you subtle changes in your energies that will change your mindset and or frequency about you. Self-deification is a must. Go get my Ashe cards, lovelivelife.com. But today, we're going to talk about evoking some of these gods and making them an energy source in your presence. Anubis is a god of protection. He protects your home, your aura, and most importantly, your transitional state from earth realm to the astral realms and beyond. That's why it's important to invoke the deity Anubis, because that energy will help you understand more about the transition. Invoking Anubis is a must so you can have clarity on where you go when you transition. But today, we'll stick with evoking Anubis. This protector deity will protect your home when the statue or picture is placed by your front door. It will protect your energy as in a guard dog, protecting you from low vibrational people. Place the Anubis Ashe card or any Anubis pendant in your pocket, purse, backpack, etc. and watch the negative people disappear. Side note, I also have Anubis pens, which is a powerful tool to keep on you for protection and protecting your magical writings when doing that ritual. Basically, writing out your goals or future and watching it come to life. Magical writing ritual coming soon. This guard dog, watchdog is a must to evoke in your home, and being as Anubis is very favorable to children, he will show favoritism to protecting them from harm's way. Man's best friend. Think of Anubis as a watchdog or a seeing dog for the blind. Help guide you in the dark. And remember, out of darkness comes light.
Message.
So if you're fearful or nervous about different spiritual avenues to go down, make sure you have Anubis with you in your rituals, protecting your mind from those low vibrational ego thoughts when doing your work. Your guard dog. Man's best friend. Anubis is a must invoked and evoked energy to rid yourself of these human angst or fearful transmissions. Tap into your power and bring the Anubis out in you to stand guard, guide, and elevate into the realm of the ancestors. Dream wise.